welcome to the vlog. I am so excited to be vlogging today. Excuse the bed, मैंने भी bed बनाना है because weekend पे if you guys have been following the vlogs, you know this already. I love to do things on the weekend. In fact, it's a problem. मुझे I have this fear कि weekend ज़ाया नहीं होना चाहिए, especially गर्मियों में, because obviously गर्मियाँ इतनी छोटी होती हैं. So I feel like I have to do something every day of the weekend. This weekend it rained, so I couldn't really do much. Which शुरू में तो obviously mood ख़राब होता है कि क्या बकवास weekend आया, but actually I realized I really needed this. I was just able to sit at home. मैंने Kim's Convenience का almost पूरा season देख लिया, and just वेली चीज़ें. I mean, I hung out in bed, I hung out on the sofa, basically chilled a lot, and I think I really needed this. The other thing I did on the weekend was I took a break from social media, especially yesterday. I did not check Instagram, I did not check YouTube. And I know like for a lot of people Instagram or sub, they can be very like unhealthy things to do, but for me it's even worse because it's not just कि मैं दूसरों के चीज़ें देख रही होती हूँ, it's also that I am constantly looking at my own insights and my own engagement, and if it goes bad, like I'm so worried. मतलब अगर मैं कोई वीडियो लगाती हूँ और उसके अच्छे व्यूज़ नहीं आते, इंस्टाग्राम पे किसी पोस्ट के अच्छे व्यूज़ नहीं आते, आई जस्ट गेट सो वरीड like what is going on. And that's obviously it's not good for anyone, and as much as I say, oh, it's my job, blah blah blah, the reality is हर job से आपको weekend off मिलता है, and this is something I've created for myself. I should be taking the weekend off. So yeah, this weekend I actually for the first time in 2 years, कल का पूरा दिन मैंने देखा ही नहीं Instagram. मतलब एक दो दफ़ा मैंने check किया just to like see what's going on for like 5 minutes, but that's it. I put my phone in my bag and I just did not check my phone, and I feel so light, I feel so refreshed. I feel like I control social media instead of it controlling me, if that makes sense. So yeah, I really needed that. Right now I just finished doing an Instagram live on feminism, kind of like a feminism one-on-one with Sumaya. Oh, I also made pulao on the weekend, and I know it's not a big deal, but for me it is because I hate cooking rice. I'm so bad at it. Like, I don't like cooking anything, but rice specifically I'm so bad at, and this is the first time that I actually made rice and they came out good, which was such an achievement for me. And अगर obviously मैं कहीं गई होती तो मैं वापस आके कभी भी पुलाव पकाने ना बैठती. So all in all, good weekend, and I'm excited about this week. The weather looks pretty nice as well, so I think today will be a good day, fingers crossed, and this will be a good week. Making mixed sabzi in the instant pot, bulgur in this, और इधर मैं salad बनाने लगी हूँ. Efficiency की वजह ये है कि I want to have a picnic in the evening, and firstly I don't want to think about like क्या पक रहा है शाम को, and secondly obviously I would like to take something with me as well. That's my instant pot going, so I'll be back. Remember when I announced कि मैं खाना बना रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं तो पिकनिक पे जा रही हूँ. वो खाना तो मैंने घर पे ही खा लिया है because basically I was so hungry, and I thought, you know what, it's a 30-minute walk. If I pick the food, take it with me, and I have it with me for 30 minutes and I can smell it but I can't eat it, तो मैं और से और hungry होती जाऊँगी, and that's not a good look. So I thought, you know what, let's just eat it. Who cares if it's a picnic with no food? I was planning on picking up donuts on my way there anyway, so I thought, you know what, I'll eat at home and just have donuts on my picnic. So I think picnic से मैं कोई impression ले रही हूँ कि ये बड़ी कोई happening picnic होगी. It's me and my book and my chadar. It's not a picnic, it's just a one-person picnic. Trying to document how many bears you see around this area. I think now it's time to give up क्योंकि हर कोने पे हर दुकान के बाहर एक भालू है. It's the city symbol or something like that. We are going towards Brandenburg Gate. I say we, it's just me. Basically 13-14 gates होते थे actually, which used to guard the old city of Berlin, and this is the only one that still remains. Now that I've crossed the gate, I am basically entering Tiergarten. That's the massive park in the middle of the city, in which is where I want to go today. मुझे अपना स्पॉट नज़र आ गया. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's that tree straight from here. That's where I like to sit. इतनी बड़ी बोंगी मारी है. आई हैड फिल्म द वीडियो ऑन बर्थ कंट्रोल, सेव्ड इट, एडिटेड इट, और फिर मैंने वो एडिटेड वर्जन डिलीट कर दिया. एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, मैंने क्लिप्स भी डिलीट कर दिए. एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, मैंने रिसाइकल बिन से भी चीज़ें डिलीट उसको खाली किया. तो नाउ आई डोंट हैव द फुटेज एनी मोर, which means I need to film it again. Thank God I am in this spot, so I'm in my zen mode. I'm not too worried about it. I'll just film it again, it's not a problem. But guys, always save your stuff. Don't be an idiot, don't be me. I tried कि मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के थोड़ा सा like सोचूं कि मैंने आगे क्या कंटेंट फिल्म करना है, कोई नोट्स बनाऊं. बट नॉट गोना लाई, मैं पिछले 1.5 घंटे से चादर पे लेटी हुई हूँ. I really don't feel like thinking about work or anything. I just want to look at the water and just look at the water, that's it. But I've also been reading my book. I'll show you what I'm reading these days. It's called Hood Feminism, Notes from the Women White Feminists Forgot, by someone called Mickey Kendall. I think I'm halfway through already, and I only started it on the weekend that I did nothing. But it's a super easy read, and especially if you live in the US or are generally interested in the intersection of racism and sexism and poverty in the US, or if you just generally care about women's rights, I think this is a very interesting book, because it talks about कि वही चीज़ जो एक्चुअली हमने आज लाइव में भी बात की थी कि औरतों, when we say women's rights, not all women have the same problems, and it's important to understand कि कुछ groups के different issues होंगे, कुछ groups के different issues होंगे, और women who come from underprivileged backgrounds or minority groups, उनके issues double हो जाते हैं, because they have the issue of poverty, they have the issue of discrimination, and on top of that they have sexism to deal with. So it's if you're interested in feminism, it's a very simple, easy to read book. I would highly recommend it. I feel such a strange sense of peace sitting here. I don't want to get up and go back into the real world and open my Instagram and see what's going on in terms of content and engagement, and open emails. Oh my god, we have so many unread emails. मुझे सोच के अब टेंशन हो रही है, because now it's at that point where I just can't cope anymore. Same with DMs. Now I'm like in the ostrich वाली situation कि मैं बस pretend कर रही हूँ, वो है ही नहीं. But the reality is that there are emails that need to be replied to, and there are DMs that need to be replied to, and there's other stuff that needs to be done. So I think it's about time I get up. I don't want to though. But I do, this is an absolute blessing to be able to pick up my bag on a Monday evening and just come and sit here and get some clarity, clear my mind. I don't think I've felt as relaxed in a very long time as I feel right now. Actually, that's a lie. I came here on Friday and I felt just as good. But besides that, so yeah, I don't know if I will be vlogging anymore. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. You will find out if I don't vlog anymore. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon. And please do like and leave a comment. That's very important, because it really helps with the algorithm. So yeah, bye.